the point N is the midpoint of the segment FG. If Fn equals 2x, I'm thinking this is 2x squared plus 4x plus 3, but it really doesn't matter what this is. We're trying to figure out the method. So whatever, if you put this in wrong, whatever it is, plug it in and the same method will work. We want to write the expression below that represents FG. Here's the key right here. Fn is the midpoint. Now let's take a look at the solution. Now, when you look at this, try to draw up your picture. Freehand, it's not straight, but when I was drawing it, it looked straight enough. Fn is the midpoint. N is the midpoint. So half of it is equal to this. And the other half must also be equal to this because it's the midpoint. And according to by definition, Fn plus Ng equals Fg. We know that. But a midpoint bisects, splits it right down the middle, which means whatever this is, it equals that. Okay, so Fn equals Ng. Now, that means we can do a substitution instead of, you could just add these two up. Okay, but what I did was just showed you how we do it mathematically. Now, Fn plus Ng equals Fg. I'm going to substitute Fn for Ng, so Fn plus Fn equals Fg. 2Fn equals Fg, so I just multiply this times 2, because 2Fn equals Fg. We've gotten the same answer if you just add those up. But I'm going to distribute this 2. This is how I do it. This is how you never miss a character here, or one of these monomials, because multiply everything out here times everything in here. 2 times 2x squared, 4x squared. 2 times 4x, 8x. 2 times 3, 6. Fg equals that. So that's what Fg equals. Okay, so that's how that works. And just remember, draw up the picture. Understand these basics here. That the midpoint bisects, splits it, and so even though they didn't give you a second one, that might have thrown you off, but either way, that's how you want to do it. Okay, and just work through a few of these problems. You can't, you work through a handful, 5, 6 problems, you'll start to see how it works and you'll get it down. But the first one is going to look a little tough. Okay, so hopefully that was helpful to you. I'm always here to help. Thank you very much.